Hello, Jumbo Moi. It has been a while, eh? My people. Welcome to Joy's Corner at Chochos. This morning, it's now 10:30 in the morning. Welcome to this video. I just decided to share with you the far we have come with gardening and farming in this video. Because we started with you, it will not be good to end without you, you know. And as I record this video, today is on Friday, 21st August 2026. So, I'm just relaxing here this morning. Out and red noxy. You know, sometimes you have to just relax and breathe in, breathe out, and just see the flowers and see how the garden is doing, because each and every time you will not be just walking. At least you have to relax for even 30 minutes, 1 hour. So my people, let me take you along this garden. Joy's Corner is here at Chochos, and this garden, the Chochos garden. So flowers have grown. I don't remember the last time you saw this garden. When was it? Fruits have grown. We have eaten almost everything. We have eaten almost everything. And in this video, I would like to emphasize that whatever you do, everything requires time. You have to block time. I've even gotten a chance to make my own flower pots. Some are there already drying, and I am going to take you there. And I have done a video before about how you can make your own flower pots from old towels and cement, okay? So personally, I don't buy flower pots. I make my own flower pots. Making my own flower pots. One of it is this one. Oy! It's very heavy. One of it is this one, okay? And last time when we were doing with you a video, let me show you. It was that one there, which we were making with you, that one. Another one is here, there. But let me stand up and do this video. Behind me there, you see firewood? Firewood. So, let's do this. Kindly watch this video until the end. Now it's morning. Sun, vitamin D, we need it very much. Kindly make sure that you carry the vitamin D for yourselves. Let's fuel this garden. Then we go to the farm and see the farm also, so that you become a bit updated about blocking time to do something and the fruits of that blocked time. Let's go. So, if you remember this part, for those people who have been watching my videos for the longest time, you remember this part, we had the raised bed. Now we demolished it during springtime. We left it. After some time, we decided to do some planting of planting of grass. So here we have planted some grass, and here we have Kesa kurpitsa. I was surprised. You see how big it is. We have to harvest this one now. This is already big enough. This one we have to come and harvest. Kesa kurpita, it has really grown. Small one is coming here. I don't know how it will end up being. And then we have some beautiful flowers. Let me not step on the grass. The beautiful flowers. This is the flower pots I made on, when was it? It's like I made on Sunday. Last week Sunday. That one. This is the one that we made with you in the video. By then I made 3. This one. See how beautiful it is. And then this one. That one is the one we made during Toukoku, when schools were closing. But these ones are the old ones. It has been long since we made those ones. Then we got this other side. So this is Joy's Corner at Chochos, where I always do my things. whenever I want to do something. Don't wonder why the firewood is there. Firewood is waiting for me to block time to come and do the calabashes, the cards, because the fire is already there. I once did it, but I never recorded a video. Always we don't have time to do each and every activity. Otherwise we will be having a lot of videos. But time to edit and everything needs time. So this is waiting for me. I close it like that so that it does not rain on it. Firewood is ready. The fire is ready. It's only to bring the calabashes and do the work. There we have salads. Here we have tomatoes. I was thinking that one day I think we need a greenhouse. Pray for me. Because these tomatoes, I don't know how it will end up going because it has really produced. But the time, summer is ending very fast. Too fast. The time is going too fast. If it was in a greenhouse, we could be now eating tomatoes. It just took very long time. We already harvested the onions from that part. Spinach, we have eaten the spinach. This fruit, we have really eaten it. Oh, we have really eaten it. Oh, you see, we have a few still here. Oh, and it has some thorns. Kuna Vini Maria is here. Very sweet, very sweet. Black nightshade is our main plant in our garden. Here we have a few potatoes, but in our garden the main thing we plant is the black nightshade. Very important for us, very special for us, very nutritious, very good. Good for the body, good for the mind, good for everything. Okay, and some spinach there. Then here, yesterday morning, I did the flower pots. Here. Let me show you. So whenever I have time, I do the flower pots. Slowly by slowly. I went buy the cement. I love working with cement. Currently, I think I love betony. I love exercising my creativity. So, using the old towels, I make my own flower pots. Next year, we'll be having new flower pots. Give some out. I also gift people flower pots whenever I have made them. I make also small flower pots, which I can also gift them out. So it's part of also being exercising kindness, kindness. So these are the ones I made yesterday. So I will be removing them today evening, so that it will continue to dry like the ones there. After they have dried, I do the spraying. I put the color. So let me show you. These ones. Here, I cover them. I cover them with polythene paper. You see this one? This is the poya for the big ones. I will show you one day that one. But now I was doing these ones for towels. You see? This one. In fact, even I can remove them. Not yet. Flower pots, you just need the water. Let me for example remove this one. I don't know, the hand will not be enough. Oh, let me not break it. You see this one, we remove this. Let me go a bit fast so that you can see well. There, those are the flower pots I have made. I make my own flower pots. And those, how beautiful they are. Enjoy the work you do with your hands, with your hands. So I've created this corner of Chocho's garden so that it will be for doing these things. The simplest way for me to do this is by blocking time, 1. 2 is having materials always ready and the place to put them always ready. So that if I say I want to spend 30 minutes making flower pots, at least I can make in 30 minutes, I make 2. 1 hour. This one I made 6 in 2 hours. 2 hours and I made 6 and I made that one. That is the poya of the big one. The big one. This is the poya. I will show you. When the right time comes, I will show you. So instead of throwing away your old towels, you can use them to make something beautiful. Very beautiful. Even if you don't put color, it's already beautiful on its own, and you make the design slowly by slowly. I have once done a video, so we are not going back there until another time. So this is how it is. So for now, my people, that is it. I'm heading to the farm. So let's go to the farm and see what have we really planted there. Did we really get to harvest? We have harvested a lot. It's only that I want to go there. Today is just but slowing down to the weekend. Okay? We slowed down to the weekend. See you at the farm. Yes. Thank you. Welcome to the farm.
Welcome to the farm.
Yes, we have come with the kids to the farm. I want to show them. Wait. So, today was slowing down. As I promised you that I will pass by here to come and just see how far it is. So, let me show you the farm. Then, we'll say thank you for each and every person who has contributed to this. Thank you. The potatoes are ready. How many lines did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines remaining. The potatoes very ready. 6 lines remaining. 6, 7, 8, 9. It was 9 lines. And in each line I kept the 10 liter bucket. 10 liter. This one I got 10 liter bucket. 10 liter, 10 liter. So here we have 60 liters of potatoes remaining. Then we have onions. Yes, Mama. You see, this is onions. Yes. Potato is very many, Mama. These are onions. We just harvest them. And this is punayuri. You see this one? Punayuri. Ooh, very big one. Punayuri is ready, Mama. We have to take punayuri. I will come and take it on Sunday. As I record this video, today is on Friday, but you are going to watch it on Sunday. And that Sunday I will be coming and harvest all this. Yes, this is punayuri.
Mama.
Punayuri is what? Beetroot.
Mama.
This one is the one I just... Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama. Yes.
To children.
Children's. You see, this one is coriander, which I just came the last minute and put it.
Mommy.
Because I didn't harvest any coriander from anywhere. Yes. You see? So here is coriander. Coriander. So I think I will get some coriander from here. This one. At least is now very clear. The other one was not clear at all. But this one, coriander seems it takes long to grow. This is black nightshade. I planted late. Black nightshade. I have to come and weed. The last weeding. Here is citron and mint. Black nightshade. Very grown. Black nightshade. And here I have onions. Onions are ready. This is how big the onions were. So let me take one I'm going to use to cook today. You see? Going to use to cook today. Very nutritious. My own onions from the farm. Tomatoes, I don't know if it will make it. I don't know if tomatoes will make it or these ones, yeah. That's why I was thinking that, hey, greenhouse. Where can I get greenhouse from now? You see the snails, the way they are dealing with these ones. Let's wait and see. Yeah, I harvested very big ones. 2 big pesa kurpizza. So today is just, but you see these snails, the way they are dealing even with onions. Ay, yawa. Black nightshade. Kales. All this is black nightshade. Very ready. Very ready. And here is the beans. Let me throw that onion there. Oops. And here we have the beans. Beans. Some people eat leaves of the beans. From where I grew up, we don't eat the leaves of the beans. But I don't know if people eat. Yeah. This one I don't know if it will make it. It will make it, I hope so. Then we'll have all those and all these are beans. Yeah, I had peas, but the peas did not grow well. It really fought with the snails. But at least we have something. You see, the snails are still up here. Voy, center. So this is the far we have come. After a very big job, we are grateful. We are grateful that we managed to get good produce. We are grateful that we managed to harvest. And above all, we are grateful that we have been able to eat fresh vegetables. Onions from our own farm, potatoes from our own farm, peas, you just come here and pick and eat it from our own farm. Kesa kurpitsa, cucumber. Is it cucumber? Yes. From our own farm. Black nightshade on plenty from our own farm. Beetroot from our own farm. We have bulb onions and also spring onions from our own farm. That is what we planted with you people, and I thought that today I have to come and show you. As I record this video, today is on 21st August 2026. You will be watching this video Sunday 23 August 2026. We are ending August, eh? We are ending August. What? So my people, let me eat this with the children and show them all this, how it happens. How to harvest potatoes. How to harvest beetroot. Onions, you just pull them and take them to dry, but we're not pulling them today. So that they can also see how peas grow. The idea of all this thing for us taking this farm was to teach the children that you can work and get something out of it. You can work and do what? And get something out of it. From what you do, because they saw from first day to second day to third day up to today, they are witnesses that for sure you can get sweet potatoes from what you have planted. So my people, see you in my next video. Kindly subscribe, comment, share and like. Yes, kindly subscribe, comment, share and like. That is baby girl. Say.
Hi.
So see you in my next video. She's saying hi. Let's keep on pushing. So my people, after you have seen the garden, you have seen the farm, how far we have come and how far we are going. I would like to encourage my people that kindly subscribe, comment, share and like. We have a small ambassador, ambassador who is selling the brand Ilona_KE. Ilona_KE. Explore, inspire and have fun. Small ambassador. So my people, as I do my videos, I could like to encourage you. Someone once said that things don't grow here in Finland. Let me tell you, they grow very well. It's just a matter of comboring the land. This land costed us 50 euro. This parcel here, 50 euro. And the produce we have received from here is more than that 50 euro. But then you have to also work. So as you work hard, you also keep fit, and also you do a thing with the soil. So see you in my next video. Yes. Subscribe, comment, share and like. Bye bye.